My video guide will give you instructions to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Panel to Shop. Panel to Shop. So that's a special extension designed for Google Chrome browser, and the developers of this service claim that by installing the extension, you will be able to shop on some incredible panel to get deals and save time. In reality, Panel 2 Shop extension works as a typical adware because it may inject ads into popular sites like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. So it may also log your search queries, and when you submit some particular search queries, it may then redirect you through Yahoo, Bing, or Google, and on top of the search results may show its own ads. So obviously Panel 2 Shop has got the features of adware, and it may also collect some other of your browsing details. So it is also correctly classified as the spyware. So at least it has some features of spyware in your computer. Now, even though it's possible to install the Panel 2 Shop extension on your own decision, very often it happens that people download and install this extension unintentionally. Often it gets bundled with some free programs, so people don't really analyze that they are actually installing something else. It's important to be careful during freeware installation to pay close attention to what other applications you actually install. To avoid installation of Panel 2 Shop, pay attention to the end-user license agreements and other information mentioned during the installation process of any free application. So what to do if Panel 2 Shop extension was installed? How to get rid of this extension from your Google Chrome browser? First thing you can do is to access the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, and choose Extensions. You'll find some extensions here. You may deactivate them and remove the extension completely. If you see some other extensions, of course, you may also deactivate and delete them. Now, to make sure that your Mac device is free of any other threats, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software and scanning your device with this tool to make sure it is free of any other concealed infections. So click on Start Combo Scan. The program is initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain free features. For instance, they are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. The antivirus, though, is the part of the premium license only. However, after the scanning is completed, you'll be able to find the total number of threads, and the program, even in the trial mode, will show you their exact location on your Mac computer. All you have to do is to wait a bit until the scanning is over, so that the program would then show you the total number of threads that were found. So after the scanning is completed, you may go to the antivirus section, click on Review Results. The program, as I said, will show you the number of threads, and you'll be able to remove each specific thread one at a time manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to get rid of all these threads automatically.